Hello, children. I have a question for you. Two exams are conducted for students. One exam timings was 2 hours 30 minutes and second exam timings was 1 hour 45 minutes. What is the total time taken by the two exams? So here we can observe, children, just we need to add these two timings, okay, to get the total time. So in this class we are going to learn how to do addition of time. Okay. So now let's learn addition of timing, children. Here these two times we need to add. First time is 2 hours 30 minutes. So here I am writing hours and minutes. Okay. And 2 hours 30 minutes can be written as in place of hours, that is 2, and in place of minutes, that is 30 minutes. Okay, children. Next, plus this one, 1 hour 45 minutes. So 1 hour in hours place 1 and in minutes place 45. Okay, children. Now let's add it. What we will get, we see. Now add this minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. How much, Amma? 75 minutes, right? And 2 plus 1, how many hours, Amma? 3. 3 hours 45 minutes, right? But here you can observe that this is 75 minutes, isn't it? But 75 minutes, in our clock we don't have 75 minutes. In our clock it is 60 minutes only, isn't it? 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Yes. So here in this 75 minutes, 1 hour is there and 15 minutes is there. Now this 75 minutes, if we subtract 1 hour from it, that is 60 minutes, you have to subtract. Then the remaining will be the minutes. 15, right? 15 minutes. And this 1 hour, we are sending it into hours place as a carry. Okay, children? In this way, we need to do addition of timings. So here in 75 minutes, that is 1 hour and 15 minutes. So 15 minutes will be there in the minutes place only, and this 1 hour will go in the hours place as a carry, right? Now 1 plus 3, how much, children? Here hours, already 3 hours is there. 1 carry you have to add. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 hours. And how many minutes, children? 15 minutes. In this way you have to do addition of times, children. Okay. Now let's add these two times, children. 14 hours 42 minutes and 3 hours 18 minutes. Okay. So here I am writing the units, hours and minutes. 14 hours 42 minutes can be written as 14 hours 42 minutes and then plus 3 hours 18 minutes. Okay, children. Now let's add. Here 2 plus 8 is 10, 1 carry, and this is 4 plus 1 plus 1, 6. Okay, children. This many minutes. And hours, 14 plus 3, that is 17 hours. Okay. So 17 hours 60 minutes. But we know that 60 is nothing but this is 1 hour, isn't it? So this is 1 hour. This 1 will shift to hours place as carry. Then our timings is now 18 hours and here 0 minutes. 0 minutes. 18 hours 0 minutes. Okay, children. Here whatever minutes we get here, we have to subtract it. If it is less than 60, it's okay. Okay. Suppose in this place we got 59 minutes, then it's okay. But if we got 60 or more than 60, then this minutes should be converted to hours and then this one will be shifted to hours place as a carry of hours. Okay, children. Now let's add these two times, children. 6 hours 8 minutes, hours minutes, 6 hours, and minutes is 8 minutes, isn't it? Single digit number. So in minutes we have two decimal places, right? So this can be should be written as 08. Okay, 6 hours 8 minutes. And next, 9 hours 2 minutes. Okay children, now this is 10 minutes, and here this is 15 hours. So our answer is 15 hours 10 minutes. Now add these two timings children. Hours, minutes. 4 hours 51 minutes. So this is 4 hours 51 minutes. This is 5 hours 42 minutes. 5 hours and 42 minutes. Okay, now we will add these two. This is 3 and this is 9. Okay, and this many minutes we got here, and in hours we got 9 hours, right? Now we know that this minutes in this 1 hour is there, isn't it? So whenever you get this minutes place more than 60 minutes, you have to subtract it from 63. Okay, and that 1 hour you have to shift to in the hours place. Okay children, so here 93 minutes subtracted by 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. Then how much we will get? We will get 33 minutes. Okay, now this 1 hour 60 minutes is 1 hour is shifted to hours place. Okay, as carry. Now after sending 1 hour to this place, what minutes is left, amma? 33 minutes is left over here. So the final answer is here 9 plus 1 10 hours, and here 33 minutes. This is the answer children. One more question children. It takes 2 hours 30 minutes to go from city A to city B, and it takes 3 hours 40 minutes to go from city A to city C. Okay, in this way, from A to B time is given, and from A to C time is given. Now we are asked to find how much time do it take to travel from B to C. Okay children, this distance we need to find how much time it takes. We are given from here to here, it is given 2 hours 30 minutes, and from here to here it is given 3 hours 40 minutes. Okay children, so to solve this type of problems, what we do children? We are subtracting. We do subtraction. So now we will learn how to subtract times. Now to solve this question, we need to subtract AC time minus AB to get the time taken to travel from B to C. Okay children? Now let's find out children hours, minutes. So here we have to subtract the distance, the time taken to travel A to C, that is 3 hours 40 minutes, and we subtract the time of A to B, that is 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay children, now subtract 40 minutes minus 30 minutes, that is 10 minutes, and 3 hours minus 2 hours, that is 1 hour. So the answer is 1 hour 10 minutes. The time taken to travel from B to C is 1 hour 10 minutes. Okay children. Now let's practice how to subtract timings children. So here also we will write hours and minutes, right? 13 hours 21 minutes minus 5 hours 35 minutes you have to do. So first 13 hours 21 minutes minus 5 hours 35 minutes, right? Now let's see. So here easily we can observe, children, here 29 minutes is less than 35 minutes, isn't it? So we need we need carry, because 21 we can't subtract 35, isn't it? This is small number, this is big number. Big number cannot be subtracted from small number, so we need carry. So when you are taking carry, children, remember that you are not just taking one, you are taking 60 minutes, because 1 hour, this is, you are taking 1 hour from 13 hours, so this will become 12 hours, and 1 hour is given to here. 1 hour means how many minutes, children? 60 minutes. Understood? So 60 minutes you should add to this number. So 60 plus 21, how much, amma? 81 minutes. Now from this 81 minutes you need to subtract 35 minutes. Okay, so this one again I will write here. Okay, then what is the minutes here? 81 minus 35. Okay, so this will become 11 minus 5, that is 6, and 7 minus 3, that is 4. Okay, 46 minutes. Now here 12 hours minus 5 hours, that is 7 hours. Okay, children. So in this way we need to do subtraction. When you need to take carry, then you are taking 1 hour from here. Okay, then it converts to minutes. 60 minutes should be added to this number, and this will become 1 hour less. Okay, children. Now let's practice one more problem, children. Subtraction of time. Hours, minutes. 10 hours, 17 hours, 10 minutes. 17 hours, 10 minutes is minus 8 hours, 30 minutes. 8 hours, 30 minutes. Okay. Now, here we can see again 10 minus 30 we can't do. So, we have to take borrow. From 1 hour we will take here. So, this will become 16 hours. Okay. And now, this here for this 10 minutes, 60 minutes, that is 1 hour is 60 minutes now, 60 minutes extra added. Now this will become what, children? Here 70 minutes, and this is 30 minutes. Okay, now we can subtract easily 30 minutes from 70 minutes. So what we will get? 40 minutes. And here, children, in the hours 16 minus 8, that is 8 hours. So the answer is 8 hours 40 minutes. Now we will practice some problems related to time, children. A primary school starts at 9:20 a.m. 9:20 a.m. and ends after 4 hours 15 minutes. So we have to find at what time does the school ends. Okay, children. So here we can see that starting time is given, isn't it? So we will note down the starting time. Starting time is equal to 9:20. That is 9:20. Okay. Then ends after this much. Okay. And it ends after 4 hours 15 minutes. That means this 4 hours 15 minutes is the duration of the school, isn't it? So this will be our elapsed time. Okay. So elapsed time is given. How many? 4 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, children. Now we need to find the ending time. So this will be our ending time. Ending time, or we can also call it as finishing time. Okay, children. Finishing time we need to find. Okay. So here starting time is given, children, and elapsed time is also given. We have to find the finishing time. So from this we can easily tell that finishing time will be equal to starting time plus elapsed time. Okay, that means these two timings we have to add, then you will get finishing time, right? So now hours, minutes, this is 9 hours 20 minutes plus 4 hours 15 minutes. We are getting 35 minutes and this one 13 hours. Okay, children. So, but we want this one in time. Okay. But in clock, we don't have 13th hour, isn't it? We have only 12 hours clock, isn't it? Then how to convert these hours to clock hours, we will see. This is 12-hour clock time, children. In our clock, we have 12-hour clock time. Okay. That means up to 12 hours we have. But what if 13 hours, how to show? Okay. So after 12, 1 is considered as 12 plus 1 hour, 13 hours. So 13 hour is considered as 1 hour, children, in the 12-hour clock format. Okay. So this is 13 hours. And this is, children, 14 hours. This will be 15. This will be 16. This will be 17. This will be 18. This will be 19. This will be 20. This will be 21. This will be 22. And this will be 23. And this will be 24. Okay, children. So by this we can tell, children, that the time can be written as in 24-hour format and as well as 12-hour format. So here whatever we have written 1:35 p.m. Okay, this is in 12-hour format. Okay, we'll understand this one, children. See, here we are having a clock. Okay, now at the midnight 12, that will be 0, children. Okay, the hours will be 0. And after 1 hour, okay, this is 1. This one we call it as 1 a.m. Midnight 1 a.m. we call it as. Okay, 1 a.m. This is 2 a.m. This is 3 a.m. 4 a.m. 5 a.m. 6 a.m. 7 a.m. 8 a.m. 9 a.m. 10 a.m. 11 a.m. and at midday 12, the AM will end. Now it is PM, 12 PM. Now midday 1, that is 1 PM. This will be 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM, 5 PM, 6 PM, 7 PM, 8 PM, night, 9 PM, 10 PM, 11 PM, and midnight again 12. Okay. So at midnight you will be asleep. Okay, 1 a.m. you will be asleep. This all night up to here. When at 6 o'clock you wake up, isn't it? Now 6 o'clock is also 6 a.m. and when you are ready to go school, that is 7 a.m. Okay, and you are on the way to school, that is 8 a.m. At 9, suppose your school starts at 9. So at sharply at 9 you are at school. That time, that morning time is 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. and midday, that is 12 a.m., 12 p.m. Now this p.m. Now midday 1, when you are having lunch time, isn't it? So lunch time is at 1, that means 1 p.m. This will be 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. and evening 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. and night 9 p.m. 10. You go to bed at 10, suppose, then that will be what, children? PM. 10 p.m. 11 p.m. 12. Again this will start as 12 a.m. Okay, children. So AM PM, that will be there in 12-hour format. Okay. Here AM and PM we see. Okay. But whereas in 12-hour format, AM PM will not be there. These numbers only represents AM PM. And for 24-hour format, children, for 24-hour format, okay, so at the midnight, this will be 0 hours, children. 0 hours. Okay. And this will be 1 hour. This will be 2 hours, midnight. This is 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours and 11 hours. And this will be 12 hours, children. 12 hours is the midday. Okay. 12 hours. Then midday, this will be 13th hour. So 13 means it is understood that it is a midday 1 o'clock. Okay, children. So this is 13 hours, 14 hours. 14 hours means what, children? 2 o'clock. Okay. 15 hours. Midday 15 hours means it is midday 3 o'clock. Okay, children. Now 16 hours, 17 hours. This will be 18 hours. This will be 19 hours. This will be 20 hours. This will be 21 hours. So what is 21 hours, children? 21 hours means night 9 o'clock. Okay. Now 22 hours, 23 hours, now 24 hours. 24 hours is again midnight. Okay. This is 24-hour format, children. Now let us convert this 24-hour clock format to 12-hour clock format, children. Okay. So 21 means what? Here 21 means 9. Okay. Night 9. Night 9 hours 10 minutes. Okay, children. And this is at night. So it will be PM. Okay, children. Now next. Suppose if it is 10 hours, 10 hours and 15 minutes, suppose. Then this is 24-hour clock format. Okay. Now you have to convert it to 12-hour clock format. Then what it will be? 10 hours, here we can see, children. 10 hours is 10 hours only. Right? So that is morning 10 hours. So morning 10 hours and 15 minutes, that is 10:15 a.m. Okay. Now this hours, that means if this hours is less than 12, okay, less than 12, then that will be am. Okay, children. If it is more than 12, like suppose 13 hours or 14 hours, then this will be pm. 13 hours means 1 pm, 14 hours means 2 pm, like that. Okay, children. Now let us convert these all 24-hour format timings to 12-hour format. Okay, children. 12-hour format will be having AM and PM. Okay. So 3 hours 15 minutes. Here we can see that this is less than 12, isn't it? If the hour is less than 12, then that will be AM, children. Okay. 3:15 hours means that is 3:15 AM. Okay. Next. 10:30 hours. 10 is again less than 12. So this will be 10:30 AM. Next. 15:40. So 15 is more than 12. More than 12. More than 12 means we will be having 15 means 3 hours. So 3 hours 40 minutes PM. Okay, this will be PM. Similarly, 23. This is more than 12. Okay, so 23 means what? In the 24-hour clock format, 23 means that is 11. Okay, so 23 means that is 11 hours 20 minutes, that is PM. Okay, children. Now let's start solving this one, children. A cartoon show ends at 7:10 p.m. The time is given when the show is end. Okay. The show is 1 hour 50 minutes long. This will be our elapsed time. Okay. When did the show start? That means we have to find the starting time. Okay, children? So, starting time will be equal to finishing time minus elapsed time. Okay? Finishing time minus elapsed time. Elapsed time is the duration of that. Okay? So here starting time is we have to find, children, and what is the finishing time given here? Finishing time is cartoon show ends at, so this is finishing time 7:10 p.m. Okay, minus elapsed time, how long the show has gone, 1 hour 50 minutes. Now here we have to do subtraction of these two times. So let's do, children, and let us know when did the show started. Okay, so this one 7:10 and this one 1:50. Okay, children, minus. Now we know how to subtract time, children. 10 minus 50 can't be possible, so we have to take 1 hour here. That means from this we have to take 60 minutes. That is, this 7 hours will become 6 hours and this 10 minutes will become 10 plus 60, that is 70 minutes, and this is 50 itself. Now 70 minus 50, that is 20 minutes, and 6 minus 1, that is 5 hours. Okay, children? So the time is what? The time is 5:20 p.m. Now let's start the solving this problem, children. Okay, solution. Okay, current studied for this many hours, 3 hours 35 minutes. This will be elapsed time, children. Okay, elapsed time. And if he started studying at 5:30 p.m., this time will be what, children? Starting time. Okay, children, starting time. Now we have to find what time did he finish his study. Now we are asking finishing time. Okay. So we already know that finishing time will be equal to starting time plus elapsed time. Isn't it, children? Okay. So finishing time we have to find. What is the starting time given? 5:30 given, plus elapsed time 3 hours 35 minutes. Now you have to add these both. Okay. So what we will get? 5:30 plus 3 hours 35 minutes. 5, this is 6, this is 8. Now this is more than 60, isn't it? So 65 minus 60, 1 hour if you remove, we will get 5 minutes only here, right? Isn't it? So this will be 5 minutes, and this 60 minutes we are sending to hours. 60 minutes is 1 hour, isn't it? So plus 1 in the hours you have to add. So what you will get, children? This is 8 plus 1, 9 hours. Okay, 9 hours. So what is the time, children? 9 hours 5 minutes. That is 9:05 p.m. Okay, children. So at this time he finished his study. Now let's solve this problem, children. Nidhi and her mother were cooking. They finished at 7:30 p.m. So finishing time is given, and spent 2 hours 55 minutes in cooking. This 2 hours 55 minutes is the elapsed time. What time did they start? We have to find the starting time. Okay, children. So we know that starting time is equal to starting time is equal to finishing time minus elapsed time. So if we subtract how much time taken from the finishing time, then we get the starting time. Okay, children. So let us find the starting time here. What is the finishing time given? Finishing time given 7:30. So 7:30. Next. Elapsed time is given 2 hours 55 minutes. 2 hours 55 minutes. So you have to subtract it. Now here, we know how to do subtraction of timings, isn't it? So 30 minus 55, not possible. So we have to take 1 hour from this. Okay. So this 7 hours will become 6 hours. And this will become how much? 30 plus 60. How much? 90 minutes. So 90 minutes minus 55. How much, children? 35. 35 minutes. And this one, 6 minus 2 hours. 6 hours minus 2 hours, that is 4 hours. Okay, children. So the time is 4:35. Okay, p.m. That means they started cooking at 4:35 p.m.